If you are looking for potential cities to invest in your state, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to show you how PulseReal's Explorer page step by step helps you to find top investment cities in each state.
First, log in to PulseReal and come up on the dashboard. Now choose a city. It will take your preferred city by default. So, assume that you chose Miami from the list. Now analyze the real insights backed by actual data. On Explorer's overview page, you can see key metrics like cap rate, ROI that really count. You will also get to know top zip codes in this city.
Now let's dive deeper to find STR opportunity in your city. For that, come to Details tab. Here you can see the number of STR listings, hotels, and their average daily rates. Now let's assume you've listed your property on Airbnb and worried about occupancy. Hence, we integrate average occupancy, the most valuable insight for STR. It shows where rental properties are in high demand.
Down below, you can see revenue chart that forecasts an estimated seasonal price trend for this year. Slightly scroll down to find city hotspot. After STR profile, let's walk through market condition of the city, which lets us know about the current market conditions. You will also find days on market, price to rent, affordability index, etc.
We have the best integrated prediction models. Those are Profit Model, ARIMA Model, and Random Forest Regressor. Based on statistics and time series, they predict the median sale price for the next 6 months. Under that, you will find a detailed map view showing median sale price breakup. Scroll down to see how seasonality affects the price in a small chart view. Now, let's have a look at the demographic distribution of the city to find out your dream neighborhood and locality. Come to Profile section here, you find population distribution and housing characters.
Now, if you are worried about occupancy and finding tenants, then let's jump on to vacancy rate. If you worry about rental income, see median gross rent, integrated in our Explorer's profile section.
We know some of you are seasonal investors and want to earn quick money, but don't have that much of idea how to know which places are best for STR. That's why we have integrated tourism section for you, where you can get traffic volume and nature.
Here you can find domestic and international tourist volume by month. Hover over each stick to know actual data. Slightly scroll down to see major tourist spots in your state. Now find the seasonal tourist distribution and target the season based on data insights.
If you do not have an idea how to properly utilize your mortgage, then come to cost section and scroll down to mortgage calculation, then plan and find cities as per your affordability. You can also get an idea about average utility costs per month of this city. In our regulation page, you will find out basic government laws and policies about your city and state you are investing, so you can stay worry-free of regulation and restriction. Do you know the best part of Explorer? It actually reveals the risk factors of different kind of natural disasters. Check out the risk section and prevent your investment dream turning into dust by hurricane, tornado, and other natural calamities. We show you risk score with very detailed analysis when you come to risk section. Now you have gone through all these metrics. Analyze each of them and plan according to your need to invest more precisely. That's it for today's video. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Comment down your favorite part below. Hit the subscribe button to stay connected with us, because PulseReal is the future of investment. Keep learning, keep investing.